I wanted to share with you some products, some simple DIY that I've been doing at my house. So you can see I've got a lot of wood steps and a walkway behind me. It was time for me to do some annual touch up, and I had just had these beautiful steps built and I needed to stain them. And so I'm on Whidbey Island, Pacific Northwest. We are known for our rain. And so I don't like to use paint on wood. It acts as if it's, if you imagine a latex glove put over a sponge, that sponge being your wood steps or your deck, and that glove being your paint. And so our paint doesn't necessarily get absorbed into the wood. It just sits on it. And so when it gets old, it cracks, it shrinks, it swells. It doesn't, or if the wood is swelling and shrinking, that glove, our latex paint, is just sitting on there, and it eventually releases and it doesn't stay stuck to our wood. So my steps are wet. We're in fall, so they're going to naturally be wet from where we live, and I'm tucked back into the woods, and so I get a lot of moisture here. And so the product that I used is Bare Wood Finish. And so what it does, it is transparent, so you get to see the natural color of the wood, which is awesome if you're using cedar. Cedar is one of our best products. It doesn't rot out like pine does. It doesn't have the bug issue. And so this is the product I used, and it is a waterproofing finish system. And so you can see all the moisture beads just sitting on the wood. And so it naturally repels the water. It doesn't allow the water to absorb in. It is a waterproofing. And so then that way, when we get a lot of rain, it's just going to run off, and it's not going to release from the wood. You still need to reapply this every couple of years because it does get worn down from our natural usage of our steps. And so you just you can sand down, reapply. But this is the product that I used. I don't suggest paint because it just does not hold up well on our wood surfaces here in the Pacific Northwest. So there. Just some little tidbits on what to use if you need to stain a deck or your steps. And this is just the product that I used. And so you can find numerous other products out there that are also a waterproofing wood finish that's not paint, that's not latex. And so if you have questions, you can always buzz me. You can always find me. A website is www.movetowhidbey.com, and have an awesome day. Thanks. Bye.